How are you all?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. I'm good. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fine, good. And Iram Rizvi?
Sir, I'm still not better because of my health. I already told you.
So, are
Actually,
you
sir, I
feeling
got
good
throat
or you
infection.
are also suffering right now?
Sir, I am suffering because I got throat infection.
Okay. So, you got the medicines?
Yes, sir, I just take the medicine.
Okay. So, now, you are feeling comfortable or good, or otherwise, if you are not feeling good, so you can also take leave 1 or 2 days more. Okay. Because first you have to take care of your health.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because if you are not well, so your mind is also not going to work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and everything is good, everyone is doing great. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is 9:34. We waited like 4 minutes. So Mr. Hamdan messaged like I will not join today's class. I am outside. And Sheikh Asif also messaged me like I am in the hospital right now. And Mr. Abdurrahman, so he is a free person. If he thinks like let's join, so he will join. Then 1 or 2 day, he will just he has lots of freedom. No need to tell anything. Okay, so we are going to start. Okay, we are not going to wait. I think no one will join now. So, Mr. Nur
Yes.
Muhammad, you have to be like persistence. You have to be continuously. You have to join the class. Otherwise, you will not get benefits. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Suppose we have I have designed one new curriculum and we are following that, and we have completed 10 chapters. So, how you are going to cover all these chapters by yourself?
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is possible, but it will take 1 month or at least.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
But
the main thing, like if you are curious, you want to improve, so please come regularly in the class. And if you are not able to join, so please inform me. So we are not going to wait.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, good, good.
Yes.
Sir, please can you tell me what you taught yesterday?
Okay, we are going to see. Wait. So yes, I have to also introduce one new student in my class. Like she is Iram Khan from Mumbai. Okay, so she joined the class yesterday, and she has given the introduction yesterday. But Iram Rizvi was not present, and Mr. Noor Muhammad was also not present there. But okay. So yesterday we have started our new chapter. 1 minute. This is a new chapter, chapter 10, which is about the making question sentences. So yesterday we just learned the some things about the this chapter, and now we are going to continue from there. We have completed. So if you miss the class, so you have to read it by yourself. Okay, because
Yes.
every
Okay, sir,
day,
no problem.
you can also think like every day we can't repeat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you are
No problem,
missing, so
sir.
you are losing something. So we learn all these things like question words. So this chapter is related to how you are going to ask the question to anyone. Like this is the most important thing. suppose you are talking with someone and you don't know how to ask the question. So in this chapter we are learning how to ask the question in any form, how to make the question, what is the structure of making the questions, how many types of questions are there, everything we are learning in this chapter. Okay, like you can see, there are two types of questions which you can ask using the helping verb. Okay, is this your bag, and using the wh words. So first type question using the helping verb, second wh words. These are the wh words used to ask about and examples you can read. So we have completed yesterday this, and helping verbs used in questions, we also completed this. Next, question formation. Okay, so we are going to read from there. Okay, so question formation, is it visible?
Yes, visual.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's read from there. Like question formation, yes, no question structure. If you are going to ask the question to someone, wait 1 minute, someone is there. Okay, Mr. Hamdan is there.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Okay, so question formation, yes, no question structure. If suppose you are going to ask the question to someone and the answer will be in yes or no. So you are going to ask the questions with the using helping verb, like helping verb plus subject plus base verb, like V3, it means verb की third form and ing form plus objective or extra info. Suppose, do you play cricket? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? सो ये क्वेश्चन कैसे बना है, ये प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट का जो टेंस होता है उसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए आप डू या डस को पहले यूज करोगे. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट और नॉट? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
यस. सो प्लीज कीप द क्लास इंटरेक्टिव. सिर्फ चुपचाप बैठे मत रहो, ठीक है? अगर समझ में आ रहा है तो बोलो यस वी आर गेटिंग. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड प्लीज से आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन मोर. तभी तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा ना, नहीं तो मुझे लगेगा कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊंगा. एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? अगेन आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी आंसर. Again, I am not getting any answer. Why? Why is this so? Okay, so Madiha Chaudhary is joining the class at 9:41. Wait. Hello.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so can I know the reason like why you are late, 11 minutes?
खाना बना रही हूँ.
Okay, so like you are thinking like khana banana is my priority, class is not the priority.
No, but today I'm making momos.
Okay, but you have to be on time. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So we were learning about the question formation, what is the format, how you are going to make the sentences. So do you play cricket? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? So कोई बताएगा कि इसमें हम टेंस में कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? Can anyone tell how you are going to make the interrogative sentence?
Sir, can you repeat?
Like I said, do you play cricket? This is an interrogative sentence. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
you are going to get the answer of this question in, do you play cricket, in yes or no. So can you make one question using the pronoun she, interrogative sentence.
By using with the help of helping verb or with the help of
Helping verb,
WH
helping verb,
question.
helping verb.
Helping. Okay.
Pronoun, use
So,
pronoun
sir,
she.
okay. Is she playing cricket?
Yes.
I said, is she playing cricket?
Okay. Is she playing cricket? Okay, done. Great. Is she playing cricket? क्या वो क्रिकेट खेलती है? So you will get the answer in yes or no. So are you getting like how you are going to make the question?
Yes, sir.
If you are going to use the helping verb, so you will get the answer in yes or no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is she watching TV? क्या वो टीवी देख रही है? Have they reached home? क्या वो लोग घर पहुंच चुके हैं? So you have to remember, if you are going to make the question through using the helping verb, so you will get the answer in yes or no. The second format is WH question structure. So yes, Iram Rizvi, can you read it for me?
WH question structure. WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus base verb. V3 ing object extra info plus question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. What is she doing? Question mark. Why did he leave early?
Okay,
Question
one
mark.
minute, one
Special.
minute. So what is the
Okay, sir.
different between like using making the question through using helping verb and WH questions?
Sir, the main difference between making the question with the help of helping verb or with the WH word is that when we make a question by using helping verb, the answer comes in yes or no. And when we make a question by using WH word, for example, how, what, where, why, so then we have to explain the answer in detail.
Okay, great. So everyone got, like everyone understand like how you are going to ask the question and how will you explain? Like if someone is using or asking the question using where, like where do you live, so you can't answer in yes or no, you have to explain where do you live. I live in Mumbai at Bandra, Mumbra. So you have to explain. And what is she doing, वो क्या कर रही है? Yes, no, no, this is wrong. You have to explain what she is doing. What is she doing? वो क्या कर रही है? She is sleeping, she is cooking, she is sweeping. Okay, every anything
Yeah.
it may be. So why did he leave early? वो जल्दी क्यों चली गई? ठीक है? So you have to explain. I hope everyone got and understand this. सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Okay, if you
Yes, got
understood,
it.
then tell I understood. Otherwise, if I'm going to ask, like you have to make one question using the WH question, WH words, and can you make one question using the helping verb? So, are you able to make? You all. I'm not asking only to Iram Rizvi.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, wait 1 minute. My network is connected.
Sir, it became very slow.
Yes,
So this is a problem you are the only one who is facing or everyone is facing?
yes, yes.
Okay,
The
so
network is perfect.
now you all are able to listen and see.
Sir, please increase the volume. I am not able to hear you.
Yes, now I have increased the volume. Who is joining right now? Okay, so a special case. You can read a special case.
Sir, still not.
This is not clear. Okay, wait 1 minute. Now you can read. Is this not visible to only Iram Rizvi or rest of the students?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
सर मैं
Hello.
Yes.
No,
रीजॉइन
it's
कर लेती हूँ,
visible.
आपकी
It's
वॉइस नहीं आ रही है,
visible.
एक बार कट करके।
ओके, मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है, अभी भी नहीं आ रही है।
आ रही है,
नो
प्रॉपर आ
सर,
रही है, मेरे पास तो प्रॉपर आ रही है।
Okay, so I think if you are not able to
थोड़ा स्लो
listen,
आ रहा है।
okay, so you have to just quit the meeting and again join. Okay. Yes. Yes, Mr. Nur Muhammad, can you read from there like special case?
Yes. uh, Special case. When who or what is the subject of the question, asking who did the action. We do not use do, does, did. The word order stays like a normal sentence. Who who called you, not who did call you. uh, what happened here, not what did happen here.
Okay, special case. So this is the special case. So what did you understand by this? Like who called you? Okay, not who
Called
did
you.
call you. Okay, अगर आप एक अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने जा रहे हो, सो आप WH क्वेश्चन यूज कर रहे हो और आप उसमें निगेटिव ऐसे नहीं बनाओगे जैसे कि पास्ट इंडिफिनिट का निगेटिव बनता है, ठीक है। हु कॉल्ड यू, यू हैव टू से लाइक आप WH वर्ड्स को ऐसे इंट्रोगेटिव टाइप का मत मानो जैसे हेल्पिंग वो वर्क करता है, ठीक है। और इसी तरह से इसमें भी है व्हाट हैपेंड हियर, नॉट व्हाट डिड हैपन हियर। Iram Rizvi is there or not?
यस सर।
I think she's not there.
She is not there.
नो सर, आई एम देयर।
Okay, who is calling like she is not there? Okay, so changing statements into question. Okay, so let's read. Yes, Nur Muhammad, you can continue.
Yes. Choosing statements into questions. Follow their step to
Three
convert
steps.
any steps to convert any statement into a yes no questions. Step first, identify the helping verb or are. Add do, does, did if there is none.
There is
Step 2,
none.
move the helping verb to the beginning before the subject. Step 3, add a question marks at the end.
Okay, so have you understood like what you read there? समझ में आया जो तुमने पढ़ा है यहाँ पे? ओके, लेट्स सी। सो
Third,
चेंजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स इनटू क्वेश्चंस। अगर कोई भी स्टेटमेंट है या सिंपल सेंटेंस हो उसको आप क्वेश्चन में कैसे बनाओगे? फॉलो दीज 3 स्टेप्स टू कन्वर्ट एनी स्टेटमेंट इनटू ए यस नो क्वेश्चन। लाइक स्टेप 1, आइडेंटिफाई द हेल्पिंग वर्ब और एड डू डज डिड इफ देयर इज नन। सो सबसे पहले आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि उसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा है। फर्स्ट स्टेप। द सेकंड, हेल्पिंग वर्ब को आइडेंटिफाई करना है आपको। सेकंड स्टेप, मूव द हेल्पिंग वर्ब टू द बिगिनिंग बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट। सबसे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब को आइडेंटिफाई करोगे, उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब को उठा करके सबसे पहले रख दोगे सब्जेक्ट से पहले। सेकंड स्टेप। देन थर्ड स्टेप,
Yes.
लाइक एड ए क्वेश्चन मार्क। क्वेश्चन मार्क वहां पे ऐड करना है एट द एंड, ठीक है। लास्ट में आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क ऐड करना है। सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक वन सेंटेंस, one statement, simple. You have to make the question. Okay, this is a pen. This is a pen.
Yes.
So you have to convert, you have to make the question. Question banao.
this is a pen.
Is this a pen?
Hello. I am asking to Mr. Nur Muhammad. Don't interrupt. This is a pen.
Oh,
You have
sorry.
to make the question form.
this
नो
is
सिंपल,
pen.
देखो देखो सिंपल, मैंने एक सेंटेंस बोला, यहाँ पे हमने रूल भी पढ़ा, रूल तीनों लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, कि एक स्टेटमेंट को आप क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाओगे। सो मैंने एक सेंटेंस बोला, एक स्टेटमेंट समझ लो तुम, दिस इज अ पेन, सिंपल। सो ये रूल अप्लाई करो ना इस पे, ये रूल तुमने 3 स्टेप पढ़े, इसको अप्लाई कर दो इस पे। क्या करना है
Are
पहले,
you this
पहला
is
स्टेप
pen?
क्या करना है?
Are you this is pen? Is
नो, look, okay. Who is going to tell? Like, yes, Mr. Hamdan is there.
What is sentence? Can you repeat?
This is a pen. Convert it into question.
you this is
Is
pen?
this a pen?
Huh?
Is this a pen?
Yes. This is a pen. Is this a pen? क्या ये पेन है? So इसको, yes, Mr. Hamdan, great, done. So I hope you understood. देखो सिंपल से क्या करना था हमें, ये रूल है ना यहाँ पे, आइडेंटिफाई द हेल्पिंग वर्ब। मैंने बोला कि दिस इज अ पेन, इसमें आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या था इसमें, व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन दिस? इज, यस और नो?
Yes.
अरे भाई बोलो, कोई भी बोलो ना, टाइम क्यों लगा रहे हो इतना? हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या था इसमें? यस इरम, आर यू लिसनिंग? इरम खान,
Yes, yes.
दिस इज अ पेन में हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या था हमारा?
Is
Is.
यस, इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब था हमारा, ठीक है, इज। सो क्या करना था, सबसे पहले तुमने आइडेंटिफाई किया हेल्पिंग वर्ब को, उसके बाद सेकंड रूल में क्या है, मूव द हेल्पिंग वर्ब टू द बिगिनिंग। अब इज को उठा करके सबसे पहले रख दो, ठीक है, बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, एड ए क्वेश्चन मार्क, इज दिस अ पेन, ठीक है,
Is
करेक्ट,
this?
क्लियर, दिस इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, kill.
ओके, सो ना स्टेटमेंट है, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है, सपोज शी इज रीडिंग अ बुक, शी इज रीडिंग अ बुक। अब बताओ इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा है?
Is
इज है।
Is
सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन कैसे बना?
is she reading a book?
यस, इज शी रीडिंग अ बुक एंड दे कैन स्विम, ठीक है, इसमें क्वेश्चन कैसे बना?
Can they swim?
यस, कैन दे स्विम, ही प्लेज फुटबॉल।
Does he play football?
ये डज कहाँ से आया? डज आया कहाँ से?
yeah.
कि वो भी
इस,
एक helping verb ही है. Does.
हाँ?
Because
बट स्टेटमेंट में तो
does is
डज
also
नहीं है,
helping verb.
स्टेटमेंट में तो डज नहीं है, तो तुमने कहाँ से डज लाया?
Yeah, you are
Because इधर ही है.
हाँ,
Because that the sentence is there is a no helping verb. So we
Okay.
can add.
सो तुमने लाया कहाँ से, मतलब अपने मन से कुछ भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब कहीं भी लगा दोगे? ये डज कहाँ से आया? क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, स्टेटमेंट में हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब को उठा करके बिगिनिंग में रख रहे हैं, उससे हम क्वेश्चन बना रहे हैं। अब यहाँ पे ही प्लेज फुटबॉल, वो फुटबॉल खेलता है, सो ये डज तो इस सेंटेंस में, इस स्टेटमेंट में है नहीं, तो ये डज आया कहाँ से? मतलब तुम्हारा मन किया तो तुमने लगा दिया डज, अगर नूर मोहम्मद का मन करेगा तो वो डू लगा देंगे। हाँ, यस, टेल, यस इरम, इरम खान, what you want to say about it? I am just asking simply, like, from where this does came? Does कहाँ से आया? Can you reply? Why you all are taking so much time? We don't have lots of time, okay?
May I?
Does कहाँ से आया?
Sir, may I?
No, I am asking to Iram Khan.
Okay, no problem.
Oh,
नहीं नहीं, देखो, सिंपल, you don't have to take so much time. If you know the answer, please tell yes, just tell, or otherwise if you don't know, say sorry, I don't know the answer right
no,
now.
I don't know. I
Don't.
don't know.
Okay. Yes, Madiha, can you tell? Mr. Hamdan, can you tell?
I think singular.
नो, जस्ट आई एम
This
आस्किंग लाइक, यहाँ पे जो
he plays
स्टेटमेंट है,
football.
स्टेटमेंट में ऐसा कुछ हेल्पिंग वर्ब है नहीं, तो ये कैसे आ गया, मतलब क्या
हाँ,
रूल है इसका, किस तरह से आया ये डज?
ये तो सिंपल सेंटेंस है तो सिंगुलर है। और अगर प्लूरल होता है तो डू लगता है, अगर सिंगुलर है तो डज लगा है।
ओके, हेल्पिंग वर्ब।
हाँ,
ओके,
ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है।
कौन सा?
ये ही प्लेज फुटबॉल।
ही प्लेज फुटबॉल, ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है, कौन सा सेंटेंस है, किस टेंस का है? प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर?
सिंपल प्रेजेंट।
ओके, ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट का टेंस है, तो रूल क्या है?
सब्जेक्ट प्लस एस ई एस प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट।
ओके, सो मतलब क्या है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, मतलब प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट का ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है?
हाँ, पैसे ही लग रहा है।
हाँ, लग
आई
रहा है।
थिंक।
मतलब यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, लग रहा है। Yes,
यस।
Mr. Hamdan, you are correct like 80 to 90%, but you have to build more confidence, okay? Okay, let's clap for Mr. Hamdan. So, yes, this is a sentence related to the present indefinite, okay? ये प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट का टेंस है, सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस और इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव, सो यू हैव टू यूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब डू और डज। सिंपल, ये डू और डज कैसे आया? ये प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट के सेंटेंस में अगर निगेटिव आप बनाने जा रहे हो तो डू और डज आ जाएगा। सो इसी वजह से यहाँ पे डज यूज किया गया है, ये ही की वजह से डज यूज किया गया, ही शी इट। और अगर आई वी यू दे होगा तो उसके लिए हम डू यूज करेंगे। सो डज ही प्ले फुटबॉल, इसी वजह से ये आया है। सो एवरीवन गॉट, सबको समझ में आया?
यस।
Yes, yes, got it.
ओके, गॉट इट, थैंक यू। एंड यू वेंट टू दिल्ली, यू वेंट टू दिल्ली, डिड यू गो टू दिल्ली? ठीक है, अभी ये भी हम इस पे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं देंगे, बट सिंपली यू हैव टू जस्ट सी, ही यू वेंट टू दिल्ली, तुम दिल्ली गए थे, ये पास्ट इंडिफिनिट का सेंटेंस है। किसका है? पास्ट इंडिफिनिट का। सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस इन पास्ट इंडिफिनिट, सो यू विल यूज डिड यू गो टू दिल्ली, then we have finished the work, have we finished the work? Okay, and short answer yes or no. So we usually answer yes no question briefly, repeating only the subject and the helping verb. So questions is question short yes and no, like are you ready? Yes, I am. No, I am not. I'm not. Does she cook well? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Did they arrive? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. So all these, like these are some question and yes no question, yes no answer. And next is like common daily conversation questions. Meeting someone new, like what is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Meeting someone new or at work. So these are some statement, okay, common daily conversation questions. ये कुछ questions हैं जो आप daily conversation में पूछोगे, जैसे मीटिंग में, at work में, and at a restaurant में, or on the phone, who is calling. So we will let's see the chapter. So common mistakes in question formation, 10 errors, कुछ कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं. सो आई थिंक वी विल ऑल्सो रीड दिस चैप्टर टुमारो, सो वी विल कंप्लीट इट. ओके, कॉमन मिस्टेक्स इन क्वेश्चन, देन next is important rules, then learn through a story. There is a one interesting story to learn the chapter, and then practice exercises are there, like exercise 1. So there will be 5 to 6 exercises, okay. Exercise 2, make WH questions. So you all have to do all these exercises, okay. So now it's 10. We are going to move on the news reading part. Let's see. Okay, so this is the news which we are going to read, okay. Okay, so Meta apologizes for removing Modi's Facebook video addressing students. मोदी जी की एक वीडियो आई थी जिसमें वो ऐसे लेकर के फोन में ऐसे लेकर के वीडियो बनाए थे ना, सबको याद होगा। उस वीडियो को लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा ट्रोल किया था, है ना, बहुत ज्यादा ट्रोल किया था कि मोदी जी की नाक इतनी बड़ी बड़ी है, मोबाइल को थोड़ा दूर रख के मोबाइल वीडियो बनाना था, उनको वीडियो बनाना नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है। सो अभी क्या हुआ कि वो वीडियो रिमूव हो गई, इंस्टाग्राम पे उन्होंने डाला था, वो वीडियो ही रिमूव कर दिया, ठीक है, मेटा ने। सो अभी मेटा का एक न्यूज आया, मेटा अपोलोजाइजेस फॉर रिमूविंग मोदीज फेसबुक वीडियो एड्रेसिंग स्टूडेंट्स। द कंटेंट वाज रिमूव्ड इन एरर एंड हैज सींस बीन रिस्टोर्ड, सेज द यूएस टेक जायंट। ये वीडियो है, एक इससे पहले भी वीडियो थी, ठीक है। इन द वीडियो posted on July 23, Mr. Modi sought to reassure students that his administration was taking firm action on NEET examination paper leaks. So, okay, Iram Rizvi, you can start reading from there, like the union government has sought.
The union government has sought a formal explanation from Meta after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's video was briefly taken down by Facebook owing to what an automated platform alert initially described as legal request. In the video posted on 23rd July, Mr. Modi sought to reassure students that his administration was taking firm action on NEET examination paper leaks.
Okay, thank you. Done. So you are reading very well, okay. Yes, yes, Nur Mohammed, you can start reading from there, like a source familiar with the matter. Okay, read. You don't take so much time, okay? We don't have time.
Yes, mute tha camera. Is you're familiar with the matter
Familiar.
told? Is you're familiar?
Source.
A source familiar with the matter told the Hindu that the post had been mistakenly flagged by an automated moderations tool designed a filter AI generated content. Facebook's as print.
No, काहे? क्यों तुम पढ़ रहे हो Facebook S?
Facebook.
Yes, Facebooks.
इसको
जैसे तुम बोलते नहीं हो fathers. What is your father's name?
अच्छा,
What is your father's name?
Yes.
My father's
Yes,
name. So वो जो S लगा है उसको apostrophe S बोलते हैं, उसको अलग से नहीं पढ़ना है. Facebook's parent company.
Facebook's parent company is said to have apologized for the error. apologized for the error. The video was taken down only in India and
Remained.
accessible.
No,
Remind, remained
Hmm.
remained
Accessible.
accessible elsewhere in the
Elsewhere.
world.
Elsewhere.
Elsewhere
Hmm.
in the world.
Okay, done. So thank you, Noor Muhammad. But you are reading well, but you have to read more, okay? Because there are some pronunciation mistakes in your reading. So if you are
Yes,
going to
yes.
read every day, so you can remove it, okay? But it was good.
Yes.
Okay, so Iram Khan, you can read from there. The content was removed in error.
Oh, okay. The content was removed in error and has since been restored. A Meta spokesperson told the Hindus. Also read
No, from there.
IT
Rough
Ministry.
patch.
The rough patch. It is understood that the government has summoned a senior executive from Meta's policy and government relations team to explain the error and to discuss matters regarding compliance with the Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. As the Hindus reported earlier this year, India is now among a small group of nations where government takedown requests are proceed automatically. X formerly Twitter continues to contest many takedown notice. It receives under the section 79 3B of the IT Act. Such orders expose the platform to legal liability if the content in question comes up in court.
Okay, thank you.
Meta
Stop.
has been
Okay, thank you, Iram Khan. So you are also speaking very well, and everything is good. And if you are going to read every day more, so you will keep it good. Okay. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can also read from there. Like Meta has been in the
Meta
crosshairs,
has been in the crosshairs of the Union
hairs,
government in yes
crosshairs.
crosshairs of the Union government in the past few weeks over WhatsApp's pro
Proposed.
user uh,
Yes,
pros
WhatsApp's proposed username feature.
proposed username feature which the IT minister want could enough encourage,
Encourage.
encourage yes
Yeah.
impers- impersonation
Impersonation.
impersonations and a BBC investigation that uncovered child sexual abuse material CSAM
CSAM.
advertisement on Instagram.
Okay. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, done. You are also reading well, but you have to improve your pronunciation as well. Okay. So you have to read every day. So who is left? Okay. So Madiya, you can start
Well,
reading from there. Like a source familiar with the matter
a source familiar with the matter told the Hindu that the post has been mistakenly
had been.
flagged by a automated
पोस्ट हैड बीन है,
hmm,
हैज बीन नहीं है.
uh, had been mistakenly flagged by a automated moderation tool designed to filter AI generated content. Facebook's parent company is said to have apologized for the error. The video was taken down only in India and remained accessible elsewhere in the world.
Okay, done. Thank you. So you have to also read, so you are going to improve. So I'm going to tell one very important rule for reading. Okay. if suppose you are going to start reading, so first you have to read correctly. You don't have to be in hurry. Like a source familiar with the matter told the Hindu that has post had been mistakenly flagged by the automated moderation tool designed no, we don't have to read in hurry. तुम्हें जल्दी जल्दी नहीं पढ़ना है, तुम्हें करेक्ट पढ़ना है. क्या करना है? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू?
करेक्ट पढ़ना है.
करेक्ट पढ़ना है,
करेक्ट पढ़ना है.
जल्दी नहीं पढ़ना है. तुम
Slowly.
मतलब तुम्हारी ट्रेन नहीं छूट रही है. So this is a very important rule. If someone is saying to read, so just focus on correction कि correct read करना है, pronunciation सही करना है और pause लेना है. Like a source familiar with the matter told the Hindu that the post had been mistakenly flagged by an automated moderation tool designed to filter AI generated content. Facebook's parent company is said to have apologized for the error. The video was taken down only in India and remained accessible elsewhere in the world. So जो फुल स्टॉप है ना, वो एक स्टॉप है, वो प्लेटफॉर्म है सांस लेने के लिए, ठीक है? या उसके पहले भी तुम ले सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि फुल स्टॉप पे ही रुकना है, उससे पहले भी तुम रुक सकते हो. तो क्या करना है? क्या रूल क्या सीखा तुमने पढ़ने का? बताओ, जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ.
हाँ, स्लो पढ़ना है.
हाँ,
स्लो पढ़ना है और करेक्टली पढ़ना है, आराम से पढ़ना है.
okay. So let's understand the news. Okay, done. Thank you. So Meta apologizes. Who knows the meaning of apologizes? Apologizes का meaning कितने लोगों को पता है?
माफी
जल्दी.
मांगना.
हाँ?
माफी मांगना.
Okay.
माफी मांगना, सॉरी बोलना.
Okay, done. Thank you. So apologizes का मतलब है माफी मांगना. ठीक है? सबको पता है? अब ये बताओ
Yes.
कि यहाँ पे अपोलोजाइज होता है, यहाँ पे एक एस क्यों लगा है एक्स्ट्रा? अपोलोजाइज, अपोलोजाइजेस, व्हाई इज इट अपोलोजाइजेस? एस क्यों लगा एक्स्ट्रा? जल्दी बताओ, किसको पता है?
Sir, because meta is a singular subject, and when we have singular subject, then we have to put s or es in the main verb.
Okay, done. Thank you. So I hope everyone got like meta singular subject है या singular noun you can say. So आपको ये ऐड करना है s या es, ठीक है? So इसीलिए ये जो भी हेडिंग होती है न्यूज़पेपर की, वो हमेशा प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट में लिखी जाती है. किस में लिखी जाती है? प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट में लिखी जाती है, इसीलिए आपको ऐसा मिलेगा. ठीक है? मेटा अपोलोजाइजेस. एवरीवन नाउ गॉट लाइक एस क्यों है? Yes, no.
Yes, got it.
Don't take so much time, okay? For removing Modi's Facebook video addressing students. I hope everyone got and understood the heading of this news. सबको हेडिंग समझ में आ गया न्यूज का? साइलेंस.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो अगर सपोज हो सकता है कि किसी को इसमें भी कोई हार्ड वर्ड दिखे, तो आपको पूछना है, ठीक है? यू हैव टू आस्क. लाइक मुझे एड्रेसिंग का माना नहीं पता है, मुझे एड्रेसिंग का माना क्या है? यू हैव टू आस्क. ओके, सो एवरीवन नोज. ओके, सो मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ एड्रेसिंग? इफ आई एम
Addressing.
गोइंग, यस, एड्रेसिंग का मीनिंग क्या है?
Addressing. सॉरी, नहीं पता इसकी एड्रेसिंग.
वाओ, लेट्स क्लैप फॉर नूर मोहम्मद. अब बताओ, मैंने अभी पूछा ना कि सब लोग को हेडिंग समझ में आ गया. अगर कोई भी वर्ड है जो तुम्हें डिफिकल्ट लगता है पूछो, तो तुमने क्यों नहीं पूछा मुझसे?
इसका ये तो समझ में आ गया था कि मोदी फेसबुक पे वीडियो जो स्टूडेंट्स के हुआ, लेकिन ये समझ में नहीं आया कि वीडियो रिमूव हुआ, ये सब हुआ, लेकिन एड्रेसिंग ये क्या है?
ओके, सो मिस्टर हमदान विल टेल द मीनिंग ऑफ एड्रेसिंग. एड्रेसिंग का मीनिंग क्या है? जल्दी देखो. अगर मैं इफ आई एम आस्किंग टू एनीवन वन क्वेश्चन, सो प्लीज टेल इमीडिएटली. डोंट टेक सो मच टाइम बिकॉज इट्स 10:17. वी हैव टू आल्सो स्पीक. फटाक से बताओ, ठीक है? कि हाँ, यस, आई नो, आई डोंट
जो
नो.
होता है,
यस, क्या है?
आई थिंक खिताब जो जिसे कहते हैं, या
Okay, okay, done, done. Thank you. Yes, let's clap for Mr. Hamdan. खिताब करना बहुत ही खतरनाक उर्दू उन्होंने बोला है, ठीक है। सो इसका मीनिंग यही होता है, एड्रेस करना मतलब खिताब करना, बोलना, ठीक है।
सही है भाई।
यस, सो एड्रेसिंग का मीनिंग वही है। मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद गॉट, नाउ गॉट इट।
Yes.
ओके, सो बताओ हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं खिताब करना को? भाषण देना, भाषण, समझे?
जी जी।
हाँ
हाँ, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट। देखो यार टाइम बहुत ज्यादा तुम लोग मतलब ले लेते हो, ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है। द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट हैज सॉट, सॉट मीनिंग क्या है जल्दी बताओ। व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ SOUGHT, सॉट? हु नोस? ओके,
सॉर्ट
सो
मतलब
लेट्स सी।
हल कर।
ओके, सीक का ये जो है पास्ट टेंस है, ठीक है, सॉट। सीक का
Salt.
मीनिंग क्या है बताओ? टू ट्राई टू फाइंड और गेट समथिंग। सीक वही मांगना, ठीक है। सीक ये वर्ड बहुत बार बार आया है। सीक मतलब डिमांड करना, मांगना, ठीक है। करेक्ट और नॉट? करेक्ट और नॉट? करेक्ट? अरे बोलो कि हाँ, यस, नो। हाँ,
यस सर।
सो क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो आप? Okay, a formal explanation from Meta after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's video was briefly taken down by Facebook owing to what an automated platform alert initially described as a legal request. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट हैज सॉट,
ठीक है।
उसने मतलब मांगा, डिमांड किया, ए फॉर्मल एक्सप्लेनेशन, एक फॉर्मल एक्सप्लेनेशन फ्रॉम मेटा आफ्टर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीज वीडियो वाज ब्रीफली टेकन डाउन। उनकी वीडियो को हटा दिया गया प्लेटफॉर्म से। सो गवर्नमेंट ने मेटा को एक फॉर्मल लेटर लिखा कि क्यों हटाया गया, क्यों हटाया गया, डाउन क्यों किया गया उसको। सो उन्होंने क्या बोला, फेसबुक ओविंग टू व्हाट एन ऑटोमेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म अलर्ट इनिशियली डिस्क्राइब। सो उन्होंने बोला कि हमारा एक AI टूल है, ऑटोमेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म है, जो इनिशियली ये मैंने उसने डिस्क्राइब किया कि एज ए लीगल रिक्वेस्ट। सो इसका यहाँ पे एक वर्ड है ओविंग, OWAING, ओविंग का मीनिंग देखते हैं। ओके, नॉट येट पैड, यहाँ पे तो दिखा रहा है कि अभी तक पैड नहीं किया गया। ओविंग, OWING, owing means let's see, owing means unpaid money, needing to pay a debt or because of। तो ये तो बता रहा है कि मतलब अनपेड मनी। हाँ, फेसबुक ओविंग टू व्हाट एन ऑटोमेटेड, फेसबुक ने मतलब अनपेड मनी, आई थिंक इट मे बी अनदर मीनिंग ऑफ देयर। यस इरम रिजी, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट? ओविंग का मीनिंग क्या है? डोंट नो?
नो सर।
ओके, सो यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है कि अनपेड मनी, आई थिंक देयर इज नो रिलेशन विद इट। ओके, सो इसमें और कौन सा वर्ड हार्ड है? यस मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद एंड एवरीवन, कौन सा वर्ड हार्ड है? और
Video was briefly
ब्रीफली तो मतलब
taken down.
मतलब बहुत ही मुख्तसर में होता है ना, समराइज। ब्रीफली को तो समराइज भी बोल सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स सी। सो इन द वीडियो पोस्टेड ऑन 23 जुलाई मिस्टर मोदी सॉट, सॉट मतलब सीख, ठीक है, आस्क to reassure students that his administration was taking firm action on NEET examination paper leaks, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे भी वही है कि वीडियो में मतलब मोदी ने कहा था कि हम रीअश्योर करते हैं कि एक हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है पेपर लीक के बारे में एक लॉ लाने वाली है, ठीक है। सो ए सोर्स फैमिलियर विद द मैटर टोल्ड द हिंदू। सो इसी तरह से एक सोर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ सोर्स? डोंट नो?
या
लेट्स सी। सोर्स का मीनिंग होता है कि आपने उसको कहाँ से लिया है, उस चीज को, जो चीज आप बोल रहे हो, ठीक है। a place, person or thing where something comes or starts from or where something is obtained. कोई भी चीज कहाँ से ली गई है उसको बोलते हैं सोर्स, ठीक है. इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग सो आई कैन आस्क लाइक व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ दिस, इसका सोर्स क्या है, ठीक है. So I think now this is the time to just move on the speaking part because it's 10:23. Am I right or not? हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है ना, अभी हम स्पीकिंग की तरफ मूव कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
ओके 1 मिनट. यहाँ पे कुछ तो दिखा रहा है कि यू लॉस्ट योर नेटवर्क कनेक्शन ट्राइंग टू रिकनेक्ट. So one more activity we have started. I don't know like everyone is aware about it or not. So let me tell. Iram Rizvi is aware, but Mr. Hamdan is aware or not, I don't know. So Mr. Hamdan, do you know we have started learning about the idioms also? Yes, Mr. Hamdan. Do you know?
Interactive sentence.
Mr. Hamdan, do you know
Idiom.
about the idioms? What is idiom? Idiom जानते हो किसको बोलते हैं?
Idiom.
Mr. Hamdan is not there. अरे बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो? कोई और भी बोल सकता है कि वो प्रेजेंट है या नहीं है, छोड़ के चले गए क्लास.
He is left. वो चला गया.
ओके सो बोलो वो नहीं है यहाँ पे. ओके सो मिस्टर मदीहा, डू यू नो व्हाट इज इडियम? ओके
वेट करना कुछ बोले.
इडियम क्या होता है? डोंट नो.
नहीं, I don't know.
No idea.
ओके सो नो आइडिया. सो नो आइडिया बोलने में भी 5 मिनट चाहिए. ओके मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद, डू यू नो व्हाट इज एन इडियम? इडियम क्या होता है जल्दी बताओ.
No idea.
हाँ
Idiom.
ओके.
नहीं
इरम
मालूम.
खान, डू यू नो अबाउट द इडियम्स? व्हाट इज इडियम? इडियम किसको कहते हैं?
I think मुहावरे.
यस, लेट्स क्लैप फॉर इरम खान. यस, मुहावरा बोलते हैं, मुहावरे को इडियम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, ठीक है.
Okay.
यस, क्या बोलते हैं इडियम को, क्या बोलते हैं?
मुहावरा.
ओके सो मिस्टर नूर मोहम्मद, यू हैव टू टेल वन इडियम इन हिंदी. हिंदी में एक मुहावरा बताओ कोई भी.
हिंदी में एक मुहावरा.
हाँ. जल्दी बताओ भाई.
एक मिनट. अरे
अरे तुमसे तो जल्दी मैं बता दूं यार. जले पे नमक छिड़कना, ये एक है. और दूसरा, और क्या है दूसरा?
तो तुमने खाए बिल्ली हज को चली.
हाँ ये दूसरा है. और तीसरा क्या है?
तो क्या है?
करो कसाला खाओ मसाला.
अरे ये क्या था यार, कुछ नया था, फिर से बताओ तो.
करो कसाला खाओ मसाला.
अच्छा समझ में नहीं. ओके सो दीज आर द इडियम्स इन हिंदी. सी हिंदी में हम इडियम यूज करते हैं. So, इसी तरह से जो फॉरेनर है मतलब यूएस और कनाडा के लोग, वो लोग यूज करते हैं, ये मुहावरा उनका है, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं वो लोग इडियम, ठीक है. सो हमने स्टार्ट किया है इडियम को सीखना, जिसमें से हम एक इडियम डेली सीख रहे हैं. So this is for Noor Mohammad and Iram Khan and Mr. Madiha Chaudhary, and Iram Rizvi is aware about it. So okay, so this is for you all. So 5 idioms already हमने पढ़ लिया है और ये PDF आपको ग्रुप में मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. So आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं 7th idiom. Yes, Iram Rizvi, am I correct? 7th idiom we are going to read today.
Yes sir.
ओके सो बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल. सो क्या है बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल? ये एक इडियम है, एक मुहावरा है, जिसका मीनिंग आप ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर सकते इंग्लिश में, ठीक है. You don't have to translate this into Hindi. Burn the midnight oil. इसका मीनिंग है टू स्टडी और वर्क लेट एट नाइट, लाइक देर रात तक पढ़ाई या काम करना, उसको बोलेंगे बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल. सो लेट्स सी द सेंटेंसेस. लाइक आई बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल बिफोर माई एग्जाम. एग्जाम से पहले मैंने रात भर जो है ऑयल तेल जला दिया. बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल, रात भर तेल जला दिया क्या है. सो आई बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल बिफोर माई एग्जाम, मतलब मैंने एग्जाम से पहले रात भर पढ़ाई की. ठीक है, देर रात तक पढ़ाई की. शी बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल यस्टरडे. ही बर्न्स द मिडनाइट ऑयल एवरी वीक. वी बर्न द मिडनाइट ऑयल फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. They burn the midnight oil before the interview. So you have to write this idiom in your notebook, and you have to make 5 sentences and send in the group. Group में सबको send करना है. Done? Done or no? अरे भाई बोलो ना, बोलने में क्यों टाइम ले रहे हो इतना. या मन नहीं है. अगर मन नहीं है तो बोलो नहीं, मन नहीं हमारा करने का, हम नहीं भेजेंगे. हाँ, भेजोगे ना.
भेजेंगे.
Okay, so just write and you will get this PDF from the group. Okay, if you are not getting, please tell me, I will resend it. Okay, so we
Okay,
don't
sir.
have lots of time. We are going to move on speaking part. So what is our today's topic? Who is going to tell? Please, to आज का topic क्या है, जल्दी बताओ.
The impact of artificial.
हाँ, the impact of.
The impact of artificial intelligence on human life.
Okay, so our today's topic is the impact of artificial intelligence on human life. Okay, so we have to speak on this topic, and I hope if you all are aware about this and you have lots of content, because I have posted in the group the topic and also the content. So we have to start, like good evening everyone. So today our today's topic is the impact of AI or artificial intelligence on human. So there are lots of things we have to talk on this topic. First, you can talk about the AI. Like, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is AI, like who reads and evaluate it is giving the question. How you're going to ask the question, it is going to give the answer. Okay, so this is AI, and there are lots of AI tools in the market. You all are aware about the Chat GPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, and multiple tools. There are multiple tools, we are not aware about it. So AI tools and the impact of AI on human life. So how the AI is going to impact on human life? There may be many impact. Like first, financial impact. Second, educational impact. Third, medical impact. In every field, AI is going to impact. Impact may be in positive way or in negative way. Like if you are able to learn the language with the help of AI, so this is a positive way. It means the AI is impacting and you are able to learn the language in free. So this is impacting, but in a positive way, and you are able to learn the language. And AI is impacting in a negative way also. Suppose most of the people are talking on the internet, like AI is going to just take the job of the human. AI is impacting on the negative way. Okay, and there are lots of benefits also. Like if you are going to see the research, like cloud founder, he said, like we are developing the cloud. It is going to find he is going to detect everything about the human, which type of disease he has, and we are also going to provide the cure. So AI is very powerful. It is going to become, and we all also know about the Elon Musk. So he also developed the AI tool which name is Grok. Okay, So he's also talking like if now we are moving into the AI generation, and AI is going to it is going to dominate the human society. You are not going to imagine what he is talking right now. So I think whatever the knowledge you have, you can just start speaking. And we don't have lots of time, so you have to summarize your speech in 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Who is going to start first? Yes, Iram Rizvi, you can start.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum salam.
Today I'm going to speak on a very important topic, the impact of artificial intelligence on human life. As we all know that in today's world, AI is very popular and everyone use it. Uh, it makes our life much easier. With the help of ChatGPT, we can do so many things like we can make our class notes, we can make presentation, and we can drive different kinds of ideas for our work. And if we face any kind of difficulty in using something, for example, if someone who is newbie in using laptop or any other electronic gadget, so he can use some basic things of that gadget with the help of AI by asking him that what I do next, and so many other things also. Some people do deep research with the help of AI, and you already mentioned that there are different types of apps which are introduced by artificial intelligence. For example, Claude, Perplexity, GenSpark, Kaggle, and so many more. So these apps are different and help in different different things. Some AI tools help in creating videos, and some AI tools generate voices. For example, one of India's AI tool names some verb, I think that like it is used for generating voices, different kinds of voice in different kinds of languages, which is quite interesting. In today's world, AI is also become one of the source of income if you learn it properly. Because if you see that AI has wide impact on every field. Doesn't matter that from which field you belong. If you have mm, command on AI, so it become one of the biggest benefit for you to achieve your goal earlier and much faster and better than others, because it makes you much better than others. So some people said that AI in future take human jobs. So it is not correct that AI is not going to take the humans job. Just those humans who are using AI wisely and who have command on AI, they are going to be taken the job of those people who who will have no knowledge about the AI. So it is very important for everyone to know how to use it. Otherwise, you surely got regret. And in conclusion, it makes our life simpler, easier. It's up to us how can we use it for our benefit and for our deep knowledge purpose. If we use it wisely, we got so many positive outcomes. And if we just wasting our time with only chit chat with him, so it is not so good, because it is also privacy concern. Because I heard in one of the interview of one of the interviews, CEO of AI mentioned that AI also consume all the private details of humans, and it is not surety that it never leak those details. So we have to be careful before sharing anything to it. and use it beneficially for your purpose, and
Okay.
tell us others about its benefits and also its disadvantages. Thank you so much.
Okay, so thank you for sharing, and it was great and amazing. And I know you have the capability
Thank you
to
so much.
speak more than 10 minutes, okay? But you have the platform like in recording activity. So you can speak more there, and you are improving day by day, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Nur Mohammed, you can also start speaking, and you can also open the camera if it is possible.
आजकल बोले
Yes.
आज उसने हाँ, देखा नहीं हेलो
Yes.
कल
Okay, so you can start.
कल कल बोलते
Okay, so you are not going to speak today. Okay, I know you joined the class after 1.5 hour, half month. So you can just tell like what happened. Like you were not present in the class. So what you did yesterday, today, and you can share a little bit about your brief routine.
जो
Or like
टॉपिक था
from
उसको
which
देखा भी नहीं
problem you were suffering, you can also tell like why you were not able to join the class.
रियली जो टॉपिक था उस पे हमने कोई आज पढ़ भी नहीं पाया था
Okay, yes, no
इसलिए
problem, you can start speaking like your daily routine and why you are not able to speak, so you can speak on it, no problem.
टुडे टॉपिक टुडे
Yes.
रूटीन
Yes.
यस सो अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि
Walaikum
वबरकातुह
salam.
सो uh, yeah, this month is very bad. So my health is very uh, bad. So emergency. Uh, hello.
Yes, yes, we are listening.
जी emergency. So medical issue and surgery. Full month. So missing class. For emergency missing class. So today I'm a backup I think at PM. At AM, I out of Aligarh, uh, at the Bulandshahr, this friend house. So after namaz Juma, come to the campus and ready for the class. So missing class. So today continuously everyday class, inshallah.
Okay. Okay,
Thank you.
done.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for sharing, and it was good. But you have to work more on your tense part, okay? Because if you are going to
Yes.
know
Yes.
the tenses, so you will make the sentences correctly. Yes, so Iram
Yes.
Khan is new in the class. So she has given the introduction yesterday. And now, Iram, you can just share your daily routine today, okay? Because if you are new, so your topic will be different for 1 week. Then you can also come and join us, okay? So yes, you don't feel fear. Like we are here to learn, so just speak, be free and speak. Don't think about making mistakes, because we are here to correct the mistakes. You have to just speak more, okay? Yes, now start.
Okay. Yes. Can I introduce myself as well?
Yes, you can also introduce yourself, because Iram Rizvi and Noor Muhammad didn't listen your introduction, so it will be better.
Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Khan Ivan. You can call me Ivan. I am in my early 20s and I live in Mumbai. And I have completed my SSC from Anjuman Girls and HSC from Maharashtra College, Mumbai University. And recently I have completed my bachelor's degree in commerce. And I have a passion for reading books, novels, and watching action movies. And so
Yes, your
that's enough.
strength
And
and your weakness, and also you
oh,
can include.
my weakness. First of all, I tell you my weakness. My weakness is I have a stage fear, and I can't speak a lot of people. And the group of small group, I can speak confidently, but in the stage, I can't speak.
Okay. And strength.
And my strength is I'm a quick learner. Like I join the class,
Okay.
so I will improve myself.
Okay. Yes, done. Thank you for giving the introduction. Now you can also tell like your daily routine.
Okay,
Yes.
so I'm a corporate worker. It's a rotational shift, like 9 to 5. It's not a 9 to 5 job. It's a rotational shift, and so this month, this month I am taking a 9 to 6:30 like job timing, and
Okay, so you can adjust daily routine how you have to tell. You have to start from the morning till the night. Like you wake up from your bed. Like I wake up at 6:30, 6 or 7. Then you have to tell everything when you are going to the bed. Start.
okay.
Yes.
So I wake up at the 6 a.m.
Hmm.
and my company is providing a staff flexibility. So my cab is arrived around 8 a.m.
Hmm.
and I reach out to office at 9 p.m. like something. So my work time will start to 9 p.m. So 9 a.m.
Okay. Done?
I think that's enough, Shruti.
Okay. But you can explain more. I think if you are new and you didn't practice a lot, so you are not able to
Because
make sentences.
hello, because I'm preparing for today's topic.
Yes.
So my mind is not aware of this.
Okay. Okay, no, this is good, and you are on intermediate level. So you are going to learn quickly. Just you have to practice every day. And like here, we are speaking every day. This is a one activity. And one more activity of speaking, which Mr. Iram Rizvi will explain. Please quickly explain to Iram Khan what is listening and recording activity.
Okay, sir. So we are starting one activity. It is like that. First, we consume any English content from YouTube or anywhere from any novel. Then we summarize it in our own words through a voice note on a group. So after that, sir give us feedback.
Yes. So Iram,
Okay, thank you
yes.
so much.
Iram, got
You're
you?
welcome.
Got it?
Hello. Yes, sir.
So from when you are going to send your recording in the group?
Next week.
Next next week, not today or tomorrow.
So because one day I left, and the week, so we I can start.
Okay,
The
let
next
let me clear. Like if someone faced any difficulty with the English language, so he is going to just do all the things quickly. Okay, if someone didn't face any challenge with the English language, so he's not going to take action. Suppose your interview is next Monday. So what will you do? You will say like from after 1 month I will prepare. No,
No, I'm
you are not
preparing for
going
the
to wait.
interview.
You will say like today I'm not going to sleep till 1 a.m. in the night. I'm going to prepare because I have to crack the interview. So if you are going to face challenge or anything, so you are going to take action. Without challenge or without facing any problem, you are not going to take action. So I was expecting you will say today or tomorrow, but you said next week. Okay. But you have to participate. This is a great activity, and also I send the recording. So what you have to do, like Aram explain everything, you have to consume the English content. It may be anything. You can read book, you can listen anything. You have to just summarize in voice note and send. And if you are going to follow this
Okay,
activity,
okay.
if you are going to follow this activity for 1 month, 2 month, or 5 month, you will see a tremendous result. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
so
so I will
now,
continue this on tomorrow.
okay, done. So thanks for today. I hope we have completed this class and it was good. So it's 9:50 right now. So do you have like you have to give any feedback or you have to ask anything? Do you have any question? Oh, Mr. Hamdan is there and he didn't speak.
Yes.
But you are just quitting the meeting. You are lefting the meeting again and again. Yes,
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 because
Mr.
of
Hamdan, you
mic
can
problem.
also, yes, speak in 2 or 3 minutes only.
Okay.
Yes, summarize because it's too late.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to speak about the impact of artificial intelligence on human life. First, artificial intelligence or AI is a technology machine and that allows computer to work and to solve all problems human too easily. And today AI is becoming a very important part of daily life. And AI helps us in many ways and it is used in smartphone, online learning, hospital, bank, and etc. And students can also use AI for learn new things and new things to studies and AI also has disadvantage and many advantages. Some like many people lost their jobs because they can you uh,
Yes, leave this
and
sentence next.
AI can also spread false wrong information in our life and sometimes they say right answer and in my opinion AI is a powerful tool in our life and it help people and our daily life while always use their own thinking and creativity in our life. I think and that's enough.
Okay, so it was great and amazing. You spoke very well. Okay, so I think this is too much time. It's
Yes.
10:52. Okay, So I think we have completed today's class, and assalamu alaikum. Good evening to everyone. We are going to just
Good
end
night.
the class. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Okay,
assalam.
assalamu alaikum.